Happy 46th anniversary. We want to say thank you, or ako personally, as the eldest, I want to say thank you for everything that you have done for us, the whole family. Daddy for working so hard para sa buong pamilya, and mommy for always taking good care of us and giving up your career for all of us. And now we are already parents. I can also say na somehow I understand kung saan kayo nanggaling lahat ng mga sinisermon nyo sa amin nung time na mga bata pa kami. Pinalakan nyo kami ng maayos, tinuruan nyo kami ng maayos na asal, pinakita nyo sa amin paano maging mabuting tao. And siguro that's why, at yun din ang reflection kung paano namin tinataguyod ngayon yung sarili namin mga pamilya. You show your love for each other in the quietest way. Less talk, more actions, through simple cooking for dad, through sending flowers to mom. Thank you for everything. Sobrang salamat for always being there for us. And we are so grateful for everything. Stepping stone pa lang to the 50 years, 75 years na pagsasama. Matagal pa ma and dad. Blessed with good health every year. Wala kami ibang pinagdadasal kundi maging maayos yung health yung dalawa at mas sumaba pa yung buhay para makasama pa itong mga apo nyo magaganda at gwapo at makukulit. Forever grateful together with all my brothers tsaka mga apo for everything that you have done for us. Happy anniversary, and we love you.
Happy anniversary, Lola and Lola, and have a great anniversary. I love you.
Hi Dad, Mommy, happy 46th wedding anniversary. Tatawa si Teo.
Happy anniversary, Lola. And Lola, love you. Love you.
My wish for both of you, especially to you, Mommy, is to hope you both age gracefully. And when I say age gracefully, treat every day as a blessing. Diba sabi nga nila, every gising is a blessing. So let's be thankful for yesterday, today, and let's all look forward for tomorrow. Mahal ko kayo. Thank you for all your sacrifices and sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa akin. I'll be here all the time, always, hanggang pagtandaan niyo. I'll be here to hold your hand hanggang tumanda kayo pa rin. Mahal ko kayo, mahal namin kayo. We love you.
Love you, Lola. Love you, Lola. Happy anniversary.
Hi Ma, hi Dad. Happy 46th anniversary, wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo at gagawin pa para sa amin, mga anak ninyo. We love you very much. Always remember that, and always remain healthy and happy then together. Para kayong John Lloyd and Popoy at Basha. Memorable sa akin is yung nung nag-try akong pumasok ng residency sa JR, tapos nung time na nahihirapan na ako, tinuntahan niya ako kahit alam ko busy siya noon para kausapin ako. Of course, yung decision ko na subukan na magtaguyod ngayon ng sariling bahay para sa amin dalawa ni Sarah. Sinuportahan niya yung decision ko. Napakalaking memory for me yun. Napakalaking milestone para sa akin yun. Gusto ko maging healthy kayo palagi. Hindi man ako palaging nandyan na para makasama kayong dalawa. I'm always one call away. Hindi naman ako nagbago. Always just reach out to me if ever you would need me. Tandito rin ako para sa mga kapatid ko. So, yun lang. Happy 46 anniversary. And I love you. I love you both so much. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Ma, hi Dad. Happy 46th wedding anniversary. I know not a lot aabot sa 46 years na natitiis. Ano ba tamang word? Natitiis or iniintindi ng isa't isa. So, a trip down memory lane. Just want to go back sa mga naging fond memories ko together with you, together with the both of you. You used to watch my games. Varsity pa ako noon. I was 13, 14 years old. You hate waking up early, tapos magdadrive pa kayo papuntang Xavier, then panonoorin niyo ako, paglalaroin ako 5 minutes. Just goes to show how supportive you were with me, especially me growing up, since ako nga yung pinaka-last na bunso. And ayun, so I'm really happy that you were there nung mga panahon na yun, since those were some of the days na I was really proud of what I was doing, and I know that I had a good support system back then. I remember nung 2019, Mom wanted to celebrate Christmas differently, so nag-surprise niya ako with a US trip. So that's also one of my best memories with you guys, since di ko alam kung nakita niyo sa mukha ko nun, but every day that I was waking up in the US, I was very happy kasi I was getting to live one of my dreams, na meron na akong muwang, at hindi na siya merely wala pa akong alam sa nangyayari. So, hindi naman siya, it doesn't take anything special, it doesn't take any special event or special occasion para maging fond memory. It's just us, yung mga late night natin na magkukulitan lang tayo, tapos ako yung magdadrive, and then si Mommy sasabihin niya may gusto siyang puntahan, tapos si Dad syempre sasabihin niya ayaw niya kasi malayo daw or whatever. Pero basta tayong tatlo magkasama, Dad, alam ko kahit saan ko kayo hilahin, minsan napagbibigyan niyo ako. Those are the moments that I'll really treasure kasi masaya ako sa mga ganun. And lastly, nung dumating si Chase, si Mom ayaw niya noon. She was very against getting a dog, but sabi mo pwede, and it was time for me to take on big responsibility. And thank you kasi habang tumatagal, mas lalong napamahal sa inyo si Chase. And ayun, so I'm really happy to have Chase in my life, and together na kayo yung lola at lola niya, kahit hindi niya alam yun, or mas mahal na nga niya kayo minsan. Message ko for you, sana I get to see more anniversaries together with you guys. You stay healthy together as a couple, stay healthy as a couple and stay healthy as my parents. Naabutan niyo pa ang bibigay kong apo sa inyo na 2 lang ang paa. So thank you for being always there for me, and very supportive in everything that I do. So ayun, I hope I make you guys proud, and happy anniversary.